Nobody wanted this house. Sitting alone in the ocean, it was slowly falling apart. Every wave took something with it. The wood was breaking, the paint was gone, and the place felt completely forgotten. Most people saw a lost cause, but one person saw something else. They saw potential. So they got to work. Piece by piece, they rebuilt everything the ocean tried to destroy. It wasn't easy. The waves never stopped, but neither did they. And then everything changed. What used to be abandoned is now a place people dream about. Peaceful, beautiful, alive again. Same place, different story. Would you stay here?